Good morning, children. Today, even we'll read about the female reproductive system of human beings. Already, you have read in class 10. So, just go through what exactly the different organs are there. Basically, a pair of ovaries are there which are responsible for formation of ova and for the secretion of the female sex hormones. So, two functions of ovary, these are considered as a primary sex organ which are responsible for formation of ova and secretion of female sex hormone. Is that clear? Now, this pair of ovaries are present in the abdominal region, lower abdominal region attached to that lateral side of the pelvic region. This is in the abdominal cavity. Now these ovaries are being held at the position with the help of the ligaments. You can see the ligaments present over here. Is that clear? Now these ovaries, after the formation of the ova, each ovary is responsible for formation of a single ovum every month. Now, after this ovum is being formed, it is being taken by the finger-shaped projection of fallopian tube. You can see this is the fallopian tube. Is that clear? This finger-like projections or that part of that fallopian tube or oviduct is known as infundibulum. This is fimbriae part of the infundibulum. Got it? Which is responsible for collection of the ovum. After this fallopian tube, it just carries the ovum if it does not get fertilized. You can see another structure present over here. This is your ampulla. You can see the structure. This is ampulla. It is exactly the location where the process of fertilization take place. So this is infundibulum. These are fimbriae, finger-like projections of infundibulum, and then comes the ampulla where exactly the process of fertilization takes place. If at all any sperm enter from this vagina through this uterus to this ampulla, then only the process of fertilization take place. And then this zygote, obviously after the process of fertilization to the zygote, it is carried forward. Now just see, after this fallopian tube, you are having that pear-shaped structure. This is known as your uterus. Other term for uterus, it is womb. The anterior part of uterus is known as fundus part. Now this uterus gets lined with 3 layers of epithelium. Is that clear? The outer one, it is your perimetrium. You can see this one, it is perimetrium. The middle one, it is myometrium, and the inner one, it is endometrium. Again, I am telling about the 3 layers. Outer one perimetrium, middle one myometrium, and the inner one endometrium. This endometrial layer shows certain changes during that implantation or during the process of menstruation. After that comes the cervix. This is, you can see the cervix portion over there, and we have a small canal present over here. This is known as your cervical canal. This cervical canal opens into the vagina, which is also considered as the genital organ of female reproductive system. I think it's clear. You can look at the different parts. These parts only responsible in formation of ovum, process of fertilization and implantation in uterus. The child development takes place inside uterus. Is that clear?